Welcome to the lecture. If you want to become certified Solidworks professional and you want to accelerate your career, you want to stand out on the job interview, you have to pass Solidworks certification exam. How to take this exam and how to pass this exam, find out on the end of this lecture. If you find this video useful, click like and subscribe. In this lecture, we're going to show how we can create simple holes on our sheet metal component. To create holes, we're going to use two tools. If you go here to the sheet metal tab, we're going to find here Extruded Cut and Simple Hole. So for Extruded Cut, we have to create a sketch. So let's go here, let's go to this face, let's select a sketch. Like this, let's go normal 2. Like this. Now we can create any sketch that we want. For example, we can go here, corner rectangle, we can create some rectangle here, like this. We can go to Smart Dimension, we can put some dimensions here. Let's go with 50 here. Let's go from this line to this edge. Let's go to 150. Like this. Let's select this line here. Let's go to 100. And let's select this line here. And let's go here to 50. Like this. Now we can go here to the sheet metal, and here we have option Extruded Cut. So let's select this tool. Now here we have start conditions and end conditions, and those conditions are the same as in the tool Extruded Cut that we can find here on the Features tab. This one here. So let's go to the sheet metal, and here we have blind, true all, both, up to next, up to vertex, surface, offset from surface, up to body, mid-plane. As well, here we can change direction, like this. But here we have few options. We have a link to thickness. So what it means, so we can link the depth of our cut with the thickness of our material. So later when we change the thickness, the depth of this cut will be linked to that thickness. If we uncheck link to thickness, now we have to manually type here value of the depth. But let's go here, link to thickness. Like this, let's click OK. And this is our cut. And now here on the Feature Manager Design Tree, here we have cut Extrude 1. Now let's try to change the thickness here. So let's go to the sheet metal here, edit feature. Let's go here with the thickness. Let's go with 15, hit enter, let's go with OK. And as you can see, our cut is here because our depth was linked to the thickness. Now if we want to change the sketch, we can go here to the cut Extrude 1. Here we have the sketch 11, edit sketch, and here we can change the sketch dimension and the sketch geometry. But we won't change anything, so let's go exit sketch. Let's go here to the cut Extrude again, edit feature, and here we have another option, and that is flip side to cut. This one here. Now we have cut this area inside of this profile, and now we're going to cut the area outside of this profile. Let's go with OK. And now here we have to select bodies to keep. We can go here, selected bodies. So let's select here body 1 or body 2. So let's go with body 2. Let's go with OK. Like this. And now we have only this portion. But this is not what we want. So let's go here to the cut extrude, edit feature. Let's uncheck here flip side to cut. Let's click OK. Now let's select this face here. This one here. Let's create a new sketch. Like this. Let's go normal 2. Now let's create here a new sketch. So let's go here to the rectangle. Let's create some rectangle like this. Let's put some dimensions. Let's go here with 100. Let's go here with 50. And let's go here with 130. Like this, and let's go here with 130 as well. Like this. Let's go to the sheet metal. Now here we have a sketch on this face. Let's go to the Extruded Cut. And let's go here through all, like this. Let's click OK. And now as you can see, here we have a cut. Now let's look at the flat version of this component. Like this. Let's go here, let's go normal 2. Now as you can see here we have the clear hole and here we don't have the clear hole. If we rotate this, we can see that this face here is not perpendicular to this face here. As well, this face here is not perpendicular to this face here. Let's uncheck flatten. Now we can see that this face here, this one here, and this one here are perpendicular to the sketch face, to this face here. If we want that this face here will be perpendicular to this face here, we have to go to the Cut Extrude, Edit Feature, and here we have an option Normal Cut. Let's check this option. Let's go with OK. And now we can see that this face here and this face here is always perpendicular to the thickness of the sheet metal component, this face here. So if the normal cut is not selected, then the resultant cut feature is created normal to the sketch plane. And if you have checked normal cut, then the resultant cut is created normal to the sheet metal thickness, as we can see here. Now let's go with a flatten. Let's go here, normal 2, and now we can see here we have the clear cut, like this. Now let's create a new cut here on the flattened version. So let's go here to the sketch. Let's select here rectangle. Let's create a new rectangle here on this face, like this. We won't put any dimensions, so let's go here to the sheet metal, extrude cut. Let's go here, link to thickness. Let's click OK. And now as we can see, here we have a cut. Now let's check the flatten. And now we can see that this cut has gone. So why this cut is not here? This cut is only visible in the flat version. So if we go to the flatten, now we can see this cut. If we uncheck the flatten, now we can't see this cut. This is because this cut extrude tree is after the flat pattern folder, as we can see here. And that's why it's suppressed. If we now unsuppress the flatten, automatically cut extrude tree is unsuppressed. If we suppress the flatten, then we can see that automatically cut extrude tree is also suppressed. So this is how you can create a simple cut. As well, you can use here a tool simple hole. So we can select this. Now we have to specify the location. Let's select this face, like this. Now here we can see our hole. We can go here with through all, up to next, up to vertex, and so on. As well, here we can go with link to thickness, and here we can change the hole diameter. So we can increase the diameter, as you can see. Now you can select here this point, center point, and you can move this, for example, to some other position. As well, you can go here and you can go with draft on and draft off. You can also go with some draft here. Let's click OK. And this is our hole here. So with those two tools, extrude cut and simple hole, you can create a hole. As well, you can go here to the feature, and you can use also here hole wizard to create a predefined hole. In the next lecture, we're going to show the new tool, and that is miter flange. Hey, my name is Sal, and thank you for watching this lecture. Please like and subscribe if you like the video. If you want to become a Solidworks professional, if you want to earn a Solidworks official certificate, then you have to pass Solidworks certificate exam. This can help you to get a better job, to negotiate a better salary, and to accelerate your career. In order to earn Solidworks certificate, you have to pass the exams. I have courses that can prepare you for the exams. I have enrolled over 30,000 students. The rating I have for a professional exam is 4.9. I have preparation for Solidworks Professional, finite element analysis, surface, sheet metal, and drawings. In courses, you will find all of the tools explained. You will find exercises, examples, and samples exam, the similar one you can find on the real exam. Right now, I have a special offer, and this is if you buy one course for $10, you will get one course for free that you want. As well, if you refer any course to someone else, you can earn 50% per course. This way, you can make passive income. So if you want to get Solidworks certifications and you want to prepare for those exams, click the link below, check my website, and like and subscribe this video.